It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing suffering. Young Police Channel from Jamaica. Big up, Rastafari. Everton Blender said that.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, as you know at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, whenever we're doing a video, we always say, look at your LCD. Reason why we tell you that, we want you to know where we're going with this video. As we told you before, and we'll tell you again, over here, we don't believe in propaganda or to mislead the audience. Everything we tell you here is the truth and nothing but the truth. And there's a saying in Jamaica that say, if you don't go so, you go near so. So you're looking at the man up at the upper left of your LCD. You're seeing Vybz Kartel. Below him is lawyer Isaac Bakanon. So you know both of them are rear admiral. One of them is straight up HIV positive. We don't tell lies on people. You understand? So Vybz Kartel lawyer is allegedly the middleman who facilitated a bribe of US 500,000 payment to the individuals responsible for influencing the judges who secure his release. So you're gonna hear having a conversation with a man who's from Waterford. He knows Vybz Kartel, and I'm just gonna allow him I'm just gonna let you hear just one name. Who's from New York? Because all the people who are in Vybz Kartel circle, they knew before all of us that he was going to be released. So this is a man who lives in America and fly down for Vybz Kartel release and calling me like pretty much like taunting me, you know what I'm saying, to let me know what's going on. And although he knew me and he's telling me what's going on. So so you're about to hear from this man from Waterford, St. Catherine. He lives in the United States of America, where Vybz Kartel roots run deep. So this man knew Vybz Kartel personally. I'm going to tell you, so them smoke weed, them drink and all kind of thing. I tell you. And had inside knowledge of what transpired during his appeal. So what you're about to learn will shake you to the core to show you corruption is rampant in Jamaica. So when I'm going to tell you about Ninja Man figure the Privy Council, you have to understand. And when I tell you something about the Privy Council, again, for sure, you say the same thing that they have done with paralleling with Vybz Kartel case. They have done it before and took the Jamaican government, took the Privy Council when Edward Seaga was Prime Minister, and that's how they stop hanging. We have to make sure you get all that video there. The only way we can get back Jamaica, we have to get it back from these people. And we're not gonna, and as we said before, them thing there, we want a Prime Minister we have balls. We don't want a Prime Minister with a men baby and you know them feelings easy for it. We want a man. We want a real man. Yeah. We're not talking a guy with a long seed and them feelings easy for earth. And a guy with, no, we want a man with, what him say what he mean and he mean what him say. You know, just wait till every time I murder and them thing that you talk, say you go hang people and you know start it. Because we tell the people them, Edward Seaga, after Michael Manley, stop hanging people. Edward Seaga, October 1980, and by 1981 him start pop neck. And the murder rate start dive right down. So don't make no guy fool you. So this man, he allegedly knew of the staggering US $500,000 bribe to one of Kartel's corrupt lawyer, money that was discreetly passed through brown paper bags. The shocking part, they knew Kartel would walk free long before the rest of the world had any clue, because the deal had already been sealed with cash. Isaac Buchanan is the ace in everything. So you see, in time when you as a government, when you allow criminals to become officer of the court, this is what happens. You have a corrupt system. You can't trust the system in Jamaica. That's why the murder rate are going to get worse. Because Kartel have money, you have people out there who have money and willing to invest it. Invest their money and make him come out, because them know say him are the shepherd, and you understand, him are the shepherd and him will lead the sheep. Worldwide, him have an audience, whether or not you want to believe it. Yeah. So if these claims are valid, they expose a profound, troubling reality about the extent of corruption in our justice system in Jamaica. Yes. The idea that someone could buy their way out of a murder conviction is not just a slap in the face to the victims and their families. It's a betrayal of every law-abiding citizen in Jamaica. It's a stark reminder that money can wield undue influence, bending the scales of justice in favor of those who can afford it. So Vybz Kartel, if them the people there. So you see, money, you know, justice have price. Yeah, money, yeah, 500,000 US. Wow. So as you listen to this story, think about what it means for the future of our country. If we allow such blatant corruption to go unchecked, what hope do we have for justice in Jamaica? That's why we are telling you, if we allow them people here, you know, if we take back the reign of the government, you know, we just want, we are telling you, we just want the legislation to pass where the man don't do more than 2 terms. Because we know say the Prime Minister him love power, so him not want to get it up. So him can get 1 more term, and then the legislation need to pass that a man do more than 3 terms, and you go on home. Yeah, you go on home, you go relax and go Fort Clarence or where you want to go. And you stay at your yard, and if you miss the government or you have a radio program like Bruce Golding and Carl till people tired of you and them things, then you start talking to yourself on YouTube. Yeah. We are telling you that. So we owe it to ourselves, the victims, and the very principle of justice to ensure that the truth comes to light. This is more than just a scandal. It's a call for action for all of us who believe in the rule of law. We can't allow them people to mash up Jamaica and turn it. We know it's a banana republic, but Lord man, we have to save it. It's a criminal's paradise. And we who in the diaspora and we know the people them in Jamaica, as I was talking with a senior officer of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Now I call the man name because this was off the record. You understand? As the man said, boy, he would have liked for to contribute positively to fighting crime in Jamaica. But as him say, are the big man them, and them are the one in charge of, and them corrupt the force and them thing there. And them have them surrogates all over our work and commit all kind of crime for them. And although him I want a big rank man them, him get sideline and them thing there, and really in the limelight. Can say politics run things, and then you have a man now. If when PMP didn't have power, him a PMP, him can't become Labour right now because him not that. Yeah, I just saw it go. And a politics run the police force, whether or not you want to believe it. So there are some serious allegations suggesting that Vybz Kartel lawyer is not just a legal representative, but also a key figure in an alleged scheme. According to reports, this lawyer supposedly acted as a logistic man, orchestrating a plan that involved the exchange of US $500,000 cash paper bags. So this substantial sum was allegedly passed on to those influencing the judges responsible for Kartel's release. So when you did hear the judge, the woman judge, the one that was on the case, and she was pitching from day one, defending Vybz Kartel and for acquit him. That was her marketing to them to say, hey, look here, this is how we are going them thing, you know. So we want to know, so we're serious. So them only say them shameless, but them brazen, and them according to Jamaica, them brawling, them not hide it. Yeah, so if these allegations are true, they reveal a disturbing abuse of power and corruption within the justice system. And we know from a long time when they come on to the PMP criminal organization, them all everything when them touch them, it's corruption. Yes. I just saw it go. No rule them. Well, I mean, I know how we are going to save Jamaica, how we are going to get back Jamaica, but are the decent people them and the youths them we do not want, who tired of the corruption and the killing, and them have to go save Jamaica in the next election, because any of them people that get it are gone. You see how many guns are in Jamaica, rifles? Trust me, worse is yet to come. Worse is yet to come. I tell you. So say this shocking accusation challenging the integrity of the entire legal process in Jamaica. It raises serious concern about how deeply corruption might be embedded in the institution that uphold justice. So these claims must be thoroughly investigated and those involved should be held accountable. And that now got me in Jamaica. Because when you Mocha, you understand what I'm saying? Them never tap none of the judges, them phone and the people, them were involved in all of these things. Because remember say them pretty much get rid of Paula Lewin, She's just a figure because IPMP took the government to court, Are the same thing that they have done what they have done in Pratt and Morgan case. Michael Manley and PJ Patterson. Most of them memory and them thing there, some of them don't read, and you're going to hear some further things about that. The public deserve to know the truth, and the judicial system must operate without bias or undue influence. But these people are not ashamed. So we have so many corrupt judges in Jamaica that's on the bench, led by Chief Justice Brian Legosykes. Brian Legosykes is Michael Manley 2.0. Michael Manley is one of the most corrupt and the worst Prime Minister Jamaica ever have. Michael Manley is the one responsible for where we are right now when it comes to criminality. Yes. So if we disregard such serious allegations, we risk further eroding the public's trust in our legal institutions, which is already at a critical low. Serious allegations are circulating that Vybz Kartel lawyer is more than just a legal representative. So this man is the logistic man when it comes on to passing around the brown paper bag. And this situation calls for a thorough investigation and accountability. But how it works already in Jamaica, that not happening, because once you're connected to a certain political party in Jamaica, nobody can touch you, because the government, them afraid of these people. So I want you to listen to the conversation with yours truly and this man from Waterford. So you watch, you listen, and you decide, and then at the end of the conversation, I want to tell you that there are some things that we deleted, we edit for various reasons, because you understand what I'm saying. We never want to just give up the entire thing, and then you understand. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
I mean, Tasha Blade to attack Leo Bombard. You have to know the thing to do research. You have my boss and a more thing to do.
Yeah.
You have to have proof. No bag a man tell you nothing my boss and you believe. You have to have the proof. How much of them can come up and stand and testify? Yes, me see you.
True.
We're not saying not do a thing, my boss.
Yeah.
But how much can take this stand to testify?
True.
How much can take a stand? You understand? Me not say don't know.
Yeah.
You understand? But how much I go take this stand, my boss, because they don't go talk back out with them ear,
Yeah, true.
You can't build off a ear saying, because just when the judge ready and the prosecutor, them a judge, they don't twist them up, When they hold you and they question you one by one and they see you start shake and they wait, and when they ask you, then come back all the next hour back and ask you the same thing and they have the pan record. The years don't change anything. Because they have to come out perfect, they last it at judge, they do this case, Because they don't come out perfect, people go brand them and they roll last to them. And they don't want to look bad.
Well, them are carousing on them thing, because them like the man,
Eh?
Me say them are carousing.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, me I tell you, boy.
Them shouldn't let him go.
He deserve an next chance, man.
Who deserve an next
Get
chance?
himself right.
Who? Vybz Kartel deserve an next chance?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Get himself right, man.
Why? But look how much people he met dead.
No, man, don't believe that, my boss.
Oh.
Don't believe it, man. Me know the man in my boss. That's what I want to the father there, Me know a man personally, no, my boss.
So you know Mikey Pell for them too?
Eh?
You know Mikey Pell for them too?
Oh, you mean if me know the man, them man? Alright, let me tell you what we used to saying. Right at Waterford Primary, right at the shop right there, so.
Oh.
Black them, and we and them man, they used to hang, we and them man Kartel. I want you named Daddy Mac.
Yeah.
See you named Daddy Mac, where me and him come down sometime, them man, they make me know Kartel. Them man, they not left Kartel. Remember me tell you, you keep free something no by time over Portmore Primary School. Free giveaway, books and things.
So because of that, no, if you kill people and forget second chance?
No, but my bad. Alright, listen now. We are gonna be fair now.
Yeah.
We not saying no kill. And me not gonna say me don't know how much somebody kill, but what about the other people them where kill people and I get way?
We're not talking about the other people. We're not talking about the other people. We are talking about him.
No, but remember, you know, if a judge I work with one, if a judge I go mash down one criminal case and now mash down the other one, it not gonna look good. A man I go still fight for your freedom, you know, don't it?
So how much money you say judge get? Me you say that because I talk to somebody from over there in a Waterford and them thing there. We know him good and them say it's supposed to be $500,000, but them say them give them 150,000 US already. Each I judge them. That's your year.
You believe they do that?
I mean, if I hear said, then that from before the case, from before it got to before the judge them get it, before the appeal judge them get it. That was it was agreed for them collect $500,000 US for let him go. So that's why from day one, the judge, I saw somebody were close to Kartel, somebody from Third World. I not call him name and them thing there. Say $500,000 run, and it's a lie. So that's why I ask you if you don't know about it.
What we don't know about them money thing then because we ain't truly number man. Me just don't get a week and all time. Me soon touch out back again, you know.
Well, where are they? Come back a foreign?
No man, when me say touch out man, at them me live in a bar, at Brooklyn me live in a.
Well, Brooklyn or New York?
Brooklyn, New York, me live man 1992 man. Me back and forth in my bar, at my place, you know. My brother and my sister, all of them, everybody live a foreign in a man. I drive trailer. Who were turning on me one Navy and what this and what
okay, so your family in the military and them thing there?
All of my family, move and pick me, everybody all in hands in my yard with a foreign brother.
Oh, so you're not...
I'm me alone there, you know, and that is a video, you know.
So what? So what? So you know about the war with the man Mikey Pelpa?
Eh?
You know about the war with the man Mikey Pelpa?
Me hear about the war, you know, but I don't stop me know about. Me not go push it and me know, like, you know.
Yeah.
But me hear about it still. But let me tell you something. You see, alright, it's like Zeke, them and Dodos in my bar.
Yeah.
When you're there on them man there. If a man touch you, know, and some my time and a them and a man definitely saying go kill a man in my bar. A man around the goat and say, this my dad and I never feed my fitness and send my fitness to school. They take you out and go do them thing, you know.
No, but a man can't do things. A man can't do things without the okay or the man them thing there.
Yeah. All that to me, but they say to all the man and the man say, yo.
Love that.
Not happy, man. Do you happy though? Maybe all them thought they make, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe all them thought they, but I hope him be a wise guy now, cause I don't know, playing thing right now, you know.
But you know, say all the people want to kill him though. You know that though.
But
how long you feel? How long you feel? How long you feel? How long you feel him gonna live after him come out?
How long you do?
How long you feel him gonna live after him come out?
You know what say? In sickness still, but you never know. Cause his wife come. I think his white girl. I think Canada she come from, you know.
No, England.
I that the one they went Atasha that when I limo with him.
Which limo? When?
No, sir, Natasha that man come here watch Tasha live and Natasha that one the man.
What? But Oh, him come out.
The
Him
one
come
that
out.
come from Canada, man. You see one way in I
Hold on.
Canada.
So him come. So Vybz Kartel come out of prison already?
How are the box? How are the someone are they?
Yeah, man. Me see him. Yeah.
How are the box?
Mm.
You know what you think, my boss?
Yeah,
The man
man.
3 for 530. Man, walk out, my boss. Walk out. 3 of them walk out.
No, and I 4 of them.
A limousine come pick up the man and I look like the other one. Me not see the other one because remember say me I want to sit the case funny man. Me don't know if when me if you do if it serve it two make it 2 time run together. It two time run together. So me don't know if you run it together. Maybe not long less man. Maybe I'll next year or in a year and come out. But 3 of them me see come out. 3 of them. My man, they come pick them up in a way, man, we have a follow them, man, a big limousine in a limousine.
Bright light.
A bright light, come pick up the man in a man, long old limousine in a my boss. A long old limousine come pick him up, man. But my mind tell me, say, judge them in our free. That's why judge them put it be 30. You hear them I said before 31st. But nothing done before 31st. As we ask them get to them, we get. So them planning.
Yeah, man. Them call it them brown paper bag, man.
Then doing them planning at the day for releasing, man. So no, it all look like freedom come down now, you know. Yeah, man. But boy, me I tell you, say you supposed to walk anywhere road right there, and better walk straight. If I forgot walk straight, man. If I'm music, you stick to music.
Him can't, look here, him can't change on him dirty lifestyle.
He must stick to him music, man. He must load the fucker, man. Load the thing, load, put on that thing there, brother. If I money you make, you have your talent there and make money, load it.
So you say you're glad same beat it, sir?
Eh?
You're glad same out, sir? That's how it go on them thing there, you know? You understand?
Yeah. But then as a ninja man, I appeal for him.
Yeah, man, ninja man not no money.
I mean, I say about things I people them are moving pick up pretty country. Me like, you don't know if I...
No, man, ninja man not no money. Ninja man all carousel, man.
So I don't know, a bright light come pick him up to blow a champagne. Him man a drinking a car, you know, it look like a dancer. Him man a drinking a crystal. Gold color, that look like a crystal.
Yeah, man, boy, $500,000 USA, so it give him, but you understand?
Boy, then when they get them the kind of boy Kartel, then a small money Kartel, man.
I mean, Kartel is an ordinary boy, man.
Or maybe somebody front them.
Yeah, my only papi.
Jay-Z and the boy, they went in, the Jay-Z love me and all the girl ran there, went in. Where the one the name, man, from Trinidad, them, man.
From Barbados, really? Oh, you talk Nicky,
Nicky love me, you know, boy, when I rap and say anything, you know, after, when I rap and say anything, Kartel couldn't find the money to pay they would have pay, you know, the retrial, you know. When I rap and come out on TV and say, man, say anything for Kartel. One expert, when that test something there, say one doctor, say we couldn't contest him. But run in art up the car, then I don't know, the best, one man, some rich man, rich rapper in a pay one doctor. Any of them you want the artist and then they done.
Yeah.
A foreign thing, the doctor them that put down can do it. But if he is well, man, he ain't on now up mouth. I don't like he on up mouth. And if he is swell up, so I don't know.
I'm larger than life now, sir.
Eh?
I'm larger than life now.
I ain't done with Shorty in my backside, I couldn't believe.
Shorty, remember say
Shorty come.
But remember say I think that they give him Shorty, you know.
Actually what?
Remember say I Mikey Pelper give him Shorty, you know.
I Shorty to real.
Yeah, man. Remember say Mikey Pelpa give him Shorty, you know.
You know the thing, man. I him pitch over game, man.
I mean, and remember say Shorty used to go on like the girl them in a why is up your name? Like UF like UF na girl them in them baggy and serve juice and all them thing there.
Oh yeah, say.
Yeah, I mean, so you never know that. So you come from water food, I don't know that.
And them the little full freakiness, them man, and the pan, man.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not freaky. I saw them man, they do for them thing. You understand?
Them just scared. But you know what? I choose Stephen Todd attack. You know what? I'm interested in Stephen Todd.
You interested in who?
Stephen Todd. You know what? Kartel interested in though. I choose, you know.
Who you threaten?
You know what Stephen Todd, man? They want to money me in the street by sitting.
Oh, Stephen Todd. You talk Corey Todd.
Corey Todd, man. That's Steve McCarthy. My Corey Todd, man.
Yeah, and him try to kill him too.
Yeah, that too, because me fuck around, because he think is it that my boy did not draw a funny man, he ain't like that. And to my boy, I ask you know, talk enough, man, say I inform me thing and Kartel, I say, you know, farm nothing, man. And me farm me. And you all look at talent and me carry you know. We will get the head together still. I walk straight, you know, because
him
joke, you know, and he'll ready to put you back in there by your point, you know.
So what do you think he might go now?
To me, he need to go on either one Caribbean or that girl in Canada, she come from, man. Remember, man.
So, but
the girl where you see, he one named Tasha. White girl, she not put down. Me I watch her on live. See them man, I took them man. I either can hear that one.
So him wife no come for you, and him wife that.
He look like him wife. But Tasha him wife, you know, when him say Tasha, cause Tasha come and sit there and say, boy, you know, if Aria go make him come down, your husband. He make mistake and say, boy, I don't know if my husband Aria go make me come down to see Kartel. Yeah, she make a mistake and slip and say that. So that when me look me see him with Tasha ear red and the girl when me see him today with Tasha, when me I watch Tasha man live today, I watch the court case. I ear red and the one we go with our black hair white man. Yeah, pretty man a long time. I think he may want to pick it. I can't remember if they say me I want to pick it with her now.
Why 500,000 US work?
Why me I tell you money you know the money run the thing in my boss. No matter where we want to our want to take it stand, you know. You see if we take it stand and then know what we have it out. Then twist way. Then ask it the bigger one they ask some question and twist you up. And twist you and put it for them with my lad. You don't know the thing go man. I don't go Jamaica, the Caribbean, and so the whole Caribbean stay. Yeah man, the whole Caribbean the same way stay.
Yeah man, so you never know you never did know say Mikey Pelpa give him Shorty.
No, me remember, but you know a long time thing me boss. A long time thing, but all his son them in Kosa, I know say his son them find out and Kosa about Shorty. Them in Kosa man cash, them find out Shorty and not keep man long time, you know.
With Kartel?
But the Shorty, but they love Shorty still, you know, his son them, the Shorty son them, they love him still.
But how much of them born up here? How much of Shorty Pitney born up here?
3 Pitney up with her, man.
So all of them born in America?
Oh, Shorty Pitney, no man. Shorty Pitney them born, at Jamaica them born them, you know.
Oh, okay.
Like girl no born here. Kartel one big girl no must about 16 or 18, you know.
Up here she born?
Yeah, no, she born a foreign.
Oh, okay. That's okay.
And the lick, one other little girl, the foreign she born to.
Oh, can you know him good and them thing there?
Yeah, man, but a Shorty Pitney them born here.
Shorty Pitney them born at Jamaica?
Jamaica them born.
So where you there right now? Where you there right now? You're at Jamaica?
You know?
Huh?
Them I want some unruly pitting them too, you know.
Me know, man, me know, so them cuss her dog.
They don't like take orders and them all get them. They don't be careful, they will get themselves in a trouble. Because they don't learn from them father mistake. They will try not get
no, but you know, see, Kartel say film pitting them kind of badness. Cause you understand what I'm saying? Like my father.
Eh?
Him say film pitting them kind of badness.
No, and I badness, you know, but you know, here when police start, the police are dealing with them like them are back down the police, back start the police and bring up MCA. You have to be humble more time, my lord. You have to be humble. Yeah, then police, you don't know what it them dog attention. Police are look and know the direction where you are at, you know. Then what the next time you hold him and you tough talk, you know, my shop, you give him back a talk, you knock you out, you know, boom and lick you out with his gun, you know. And you have gonna time or you pull out and gonna all and sit there.
Wow.
And mostly when you stop, you know, obey by the law, you are going like your top. Then I saw the thing working on my boss. You have a humble man.
True.
Humble my boss.
So what? So where you know? Where you know? Put water food you know?
Yeah, man, up on the 4th, I'm in there, man.
Oh, so you wait for him come in and them thing there?
You know, couldn't don't get in on my boss.
So me come and water food tonight. So where him there now?
Up already is here, I'm here saying that.
Eh?
Yeah, yes, up already.
Oh, okay.
Up already is in there. The boy, I drop a man in, man.
But water food him should have go first, because water food they behind him right through.
Yeah, but remember say, you don't know who did they look out for him to, you know, and maybe you have that thick security around him.
Well, him have thing there around him and him thing. The bright light have license on.
Bright light has some man around him that blows like a gorilla too, you know.
Some ugly man.
Yeah, man, they look like some gorilla, man. You know, some hungry man.
So when you come up back?
No, me I come up back 2 weeks time, me I touch him, man. Yeah, man, 2 weeks time.
So you say you don't want to burn no more fire upon Kartel?
Eh?
Well, you said them have to burn no more fire upon Kartel, because I'm free now, sir.
Them have to do a burn one?
So what is about Serpino and politics watch now?
What? Hey, no, if I think that therapy, I say I told you, don't get me wrong, you know. Won't say no, but won't say no fight, alright, no, but how much man can take a stand?
Well, we could have do that and CKS don't know.
Yeah, but yeah, when they say about one, jury list, when they say they don't want to talk to the judge. When I jury week out, they can't take no stand. One of them must have as a crony, or is the country crony. What do you name again, man? They can't take a stand in week out.
Witness.
They don't know so that the man then get in touch off.
How much? Oh, the one that get the where so much money them give. The one that got prison.
I don't know how much, but that man look like he get in touch off, man.
So all of the 4 man them, release them and them thing they from prison.
Then get them touch off, man. I then touch off, because you have to be touch off. When a man come back saying week out, he can't deal with this now, he can't, and I cry. You say a bullshit with them, because if you want to say and get go, I know you talk like you're not brave enough to come and say, you know, see a Satan, man.
So it's a Vybz Kartel are your era, sir?
Eh?
Vybz Kartel are your era?
No, I'm a DJ, still not my boss. I'm not going to lie, I'm a DJ a long time. Alright, me used to take him in my Mavado still.
Alright, so wait, so you know about...
When he goes and go to the thing, I come here, I say, I don't want to get caught up and get fucked up, you understand?
So you know the youth when he and Danny Flynn when kill Gregory Park though?
You know him, but me don't know if you understand?
No, me ask if you hear about it, if you know about it, say Vybz Kartel them...
me hear but me don't know if him, you understand?
Alright, so you hear who we make kill the youth though?
Eh?
You hear who we make kill the youth though? Because you know say a MC man kill all thing there, you know?
Then not so much man in a deal with brother.
What do you mean? A whole heap of people Vybz Kartel met dead, man. You don't know that, man?
Boy, the money, boy, it look like in the painting on a cover, boy.
And man make you know say all millionaire the police kill all nunopus to him and them thing there.
Well, that's skirt, boy, then I eat that time, I tell him about.
That's how it go, you know.
And I eat that time, but I want that this man is changed.
Him not, you know, see man come out and say I want done.
If he not change, you know, brother, let me tell you this. You see, if he not change,
Him can't change.
They can't start put on one cup of him.
Well, cause them, him have so...
He said nowadays, man, them, I see him set a man, them a man not take talk in all the class on them, you know. They not take talk, brother, Jamaica run my boss. They not
so you're my friend per se?
Me and him, me tell us I'm my brethren, make me know them, man.
So you there for them circle, them inner circle?
No, we not clink with them, you know.
Oh, you not link with them?
Can't be around them and we smoke weed and burn energy, drink energy. And so, make it first they meet them and weed and energy and find we grow on them and just that them man they deal with.
You better be careful with the weed thing, you know, because see, them a get a whole heap of man Caesar spliff and a mad them at Jamaica.
Eh?
Them a get a whole heap of man at Jamaica Caesar spliff and mad them.
Yeah, but I used to know somebody can't build no slip to me, you know.
Oh, okay.
You can't buy no weed give me. You can't do that. You're not touch me with nothing, right, man. What time me and a man a friend, you can't build me weed, you can't buy me weed. Yeah, man, you can't build it, you can't buy it. You can't. And my drink, if me left with this and gone people and me come back, I'm not drinking, man. Me take time speech and me turn up there and me a cheer and you know, and I say that yours. Yeah, man, if me see look funny, man, and me see like a shift, man. Me tell him about, yeah, can't trust this world, not trust nobody. Nobody, me boss. Me tell her that, not trust no one. No one, me boss.
Okay, so and I like say and I like you're part of them circle and them thing. I just that.
No, me and a part. No, sir, me and a part of them. But me see me know and thing, but me and a part of them, my boss. Me no want to be part of them, you know.
Yeah, because them destructive, you know.
Me like some of the music. Some of them.
Me no like none of the music, I me no listen to them. Me no listen to garbage and them thing, you know what I'm saying?
Me like some of them. Them is a class, them is a class to give him some money, because the class pricing go up and takes up to give him some money, then he make the price go up. You know, sir, that shit, because them in the process, both with them, sit there and tell a lie, say, if it pressure Italy, England make class and the pressure them. So they want some money. If you pay a cartel, somebody can make them sell, and they sit there sell back. Well, as a, hey, we know free as the last night when me a goal in attack.
Which goal? Which goal in?
Last time, we know him a free, you know.
Which goal in the attack? Baby Chump?
No, he went next to something, man. When he stepped down and give my boy there, man.
Who you attack? Which goal in the attack?
And a mark goal in me attack, you know.
Oh, you're not attack Baby Chump?
No, me not attacking.
Which goal in the attack? Bruce Goalin?
Attacking. You know the one man where JLP, man, a goaling, me call him, man, and a goaling.
Which one that? Who that you attack?
If one, when you have Bruce in him too?
You attack the former Prime Minister?
Yeah, man.
Bruce Goalin the attack?
When me listen man talk last time, I know Kartel have a free man. Me tell a man say, you know, say Kartel have free a man. It can't get for now. The man a say, he not move on the pretty country. You know, hear the man say, he not moving. We are talk about this CP pack something shit. Where me the man say, he not move one day. He not move on the pretty country.
Pretty country, yeah.
Yeah, the man say, he not move on it, my boss. Yeah, and that thing say I'm making thumbs up. They give thumbs up still. But here one me boss. We don't say Kartel na guilty na sa my system, but here one no.
No for things I'm feeling.
Why did you then mess with this thing on the phone? The phone thing mess up. But
I remember say a bigger phone get money if you mess with it.
Bigger phone get the phone to deal with it.
Yeah, I mean, there was a bigger phone than my thief too.
Yeah, man. Remember say bigger phone in love Kartel na your Kartel things and go into man. The blows are scared. One time when you check they say phone in the phone down Miami, I'm waiting about this one. Phone down Miami, I use.
Yeah. But anyway, is that jar attack? Eh? Tomorrow you call me. Tomorrow you feel me talk again, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, brother.
All right, yeah, man. Right. Respect, man, and thanks to the call, man. All right.
All right.
Yeah, cool. So you hear it for yourself. As we said to you, we have edited something just to protect some people's identity, because you understand what I'm saying. We don't want to put some people's name out there, but we make sure you just hear one person that he had mentioned, and some of the conversation we had to delete or we had to edit it. So in conclusion, corrupt judges who accept bribes undermine the core principle of justice and fairness. When judges allow themselves to be swayed by personal gain rather than upholding the rule of law, it erodes the foundation of public trust in the judicial system. This erosion of confidence can have far-reaching and devastating consequences, including injustice. Yeah, man, them not caring. I must say, a shameless people here dealing with. Bribery can result in wrongful convictions, unfair sentences, and denial of justice to innocent people. When the judicial system is compromised, the most vulnerable suffer the most significant harm. Erosion of public trust. A corrupt judiciary can severely damage people's faith in the legal system. When the public perceive that justice is for sale, it can lead to widespread disillusionment, increased social unrest, and ultimately a breakdown of law and order. So that is where we're at in Jamaica. Majority of the Jamaican people don't trust the judicial system. For reason being is that the system is more favorable to criminals. So if you're a criminal, the system is designed for you in Jamaica. If you're a law-abiding citizen, too bad for you. You suck it up. I just saw it go. Yeah, criminal don't need license if you have a legal gun, but you have to have money if you have a legal gun. I won't say money, when I talk about in the bank, we have to talk to give the people them to get gun. You understand? You have to have connection. Because we are spoken to a man who's a millionaire in Jamaica, and him say him now give nobody no 500,000 for no gun. We heard the recording, but the man did not want to expose the people them and one and two little things. So we have to, whenever we talk with someone and them tell me from the get-go, say, supporter, I just want you to listen, we don't want you to do this, or you understand what I'm saying, I respect that. You can't wait till after the fact. After the fact, no, that not work like that. You understand? Because this is all about, because we want our country back from these people. So 3, discouragement of honest behavior. People who believe that the justice system is corrupt may become less inclined to report crimes or cooperate with law enforcement, which is true, and that is what is happening. So, so most of them murder them in Jamaica, people not even report it. Because you have a whole heap of people that them put them in a different, them throw them in a cave and all kind of thing. Most of the people that reported missing and they haven't reported saying, this missing person is found dead. I tell you that. I just keep people in a trust in our system. And the family don't even want to report it, say, boy, same you come back and them thing there. Yeah, because them don't know, say, he mix up in a one and two little things and him dead. I just saw it go. So when the system is corrupt, this can create an environment where criminality and criminal activity flourishes unchecked by the fear of legal consequences. Robust system that prevent and address these unethical practices are essential to combating judicial corruption. Transparent accountability mechanism, rigorous ethical training for judges and independent oversight bodies are critical to maintaining judicial system's integrity by ensuring that justice is administered fairly and impartially. We can protect the rule of law and preserve public confidence in our legal institution. So I would say to most Jamaican, good luck with that, because that is going to happen. Because we have corrupt judges in Jamaica. Yeah, so I don't know, what is going to happen with Jamaica, but we know that we have some corrupt judges there, and justice is a seal in Jamaica. So it's really, really sad. Yeah, so as I said to you guys before, only you, the voters in Jamaica and those in our diaspora can save Jamaica. We cannot rely on the politicians them to save it. Although they are the ones because you have one group of them who hell-bent on burning down Jamaica to the ground and do anything for criminals. As you heard some people says that the reason why Vybz Kartel is out is to organize and get the PMP criminal organization voters them rile up, or the Jamaican people them will love Vybz Kartel because of music and it's decadent that he promoted, and for them to come out and vote, just like in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and in Jamaica. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.